Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play EA Sports FC Beta. First, understand that this beta is by invitation only, so you cannot simply sign up. To be eligible, you must be at least 18 years old. You will also need an active EA account and a stable internet connection. Finally, you must agree to the EA user agreement and the pre-release feedback agreement before playing. To boost your chances of receiving an invitation, log into your EA account and update your communication preferences. Make sure you opt in to receive emails about EA products and promotions. It is also crucial to select EA Sports FC as a favorite game and specify your preferred gaming platform. Players who actively engage with previous EA Sports FC titles often have a higher chance of being selected. If you are among the lucky few, EA will send a unique beta code to the email address linked to your EA account. Once you receive it, redeem this code through your console's store or the EA app on PC. Should you encounter any issues with redemption or downloading, utilize the official beta access tool for assistance. Be prepared, as the installation requires about 100 gigabytes of free disk space. Once you are in, remember that the beta is under a strict non-disclosure agreement. This means you cannot share, stream, or capture any gameplay content. Your primary role is to play and provide valuable feedback. Report any bugs or issues you find on the dedicated beta forums. Keep in mind that any progress you make during the beta period will not transfer to the final version of the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.